Hey there! Welcome to this tutorial on how to ride a hoverboard. Before we start, ensure you have all the necessary safety gear, such as a helmet, knee and elbow pads, and wrist guards. It's also a good idea to have a friend nearby to assist you if you need help. Now, let's get started. Step 1. Stand on the hoverboard with one foot, making sure to keep your balance. Step 2. Slowly shift your weight onto the hoverboard, moving your other foot onto the platform. Step 3. Once both feet are on the hoverboard, slowly shift your weight forward to start moving forward. To go backward, shift your weight in the opposite direction. Step 4. To turn, lean in the direction you want to go. The hoverboard will turn in that direction. Step 5. To stop, shift your weight back onto your heels, and the hoverboard will stop. Step 6. Practice these basic movements in a safe, open area until you feel comfortable and confident on the hoverboard. And that's it. With some practice, you'll be a pro at riding a hoverboard in no time. Always wear your safety gear and be mindful of your surroundings. Thanks for watching, and happy hoverboarding!